Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to put Vinted on holiday mode. I'll be showing you this on the mobile app. First, open the Vinted app on your device. You'll find the app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Tap it to launch the app and it'll open to your home feed where you can see listings from other sellers. Next, navigate to your profile. Look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a navigation bar with several tabs. Tap on the Profile tab. Once you tap it, your profile page will appear, showing your listings, account information, and various settings options. Now we need to access the holiday mode settings. On your profile page, look for an option labeled Holiday Mode. It'll be somewhere in your profile section. Scan through the options until you spot it. When you find it, tap on Holiday Mode. The Holiday Mode settings screen will open. This is where you'll actually enable the feature. On the Holiday Mode screen, you'll see a section called Hide My Items. Within that section, there's a slider toggle. Right now, it's probably switched off, sitting on the left side. Tap the slider and drag it to the right to turn it on. The moment you toggle that slider, your listings will disappear from search immediately. Buyers won't be able to find or purchase your items while holiday mode is active. And that's it. Holiday mode is now on. All your listings are hidden from the catalog, so no new orders will come in while you're away. This is useful if you're going on vacation, dealing with a busy period, or just need a break from selling temporarily. A few things to know about holiday mode. First, it can stay active for up to 90 days. After 90 days, Vinted will send you a notification warning that your listings may be deleted if you don't come back and reactivate your account. So if you're planning a longer break, you'll need to check in before that deadline. When you're ready to start selling again, go back to the same holiday mode setting in your profile. You'll see the slider is still toggled to the right, or there may be a switch off button displayed. Toggle the slider back to the left to disable holiday mode. As soon as you turn it off, your listings will reappear in search and buyers can find your items again. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.